pwede po may interview.
So ano?
Ako mag-interview kay. Ako mag-interview kay, ayan. Alright, so I am Kevin from Open Table MCC. And nandito tayo. And ang pangalan ko ay,
Labatil.
why join Pride this year?
It's my third Pride, I believe, and it's my first Pride here in Metro Manila. So I want to join talaga Pride here in Metro Manila because I know it's so fun. Like what I also felt when I had my first and second Pride in Iloilo. So yeah, I joined because I want to show up, Yun naman, because I really want to, amplify the voices of those who cannot fight for themselves or do not have the luxury to go out and speak for the causes that are close to their hearts. So that's it.
On point. And wala tayo ibang masabi. Salamat po. And salamat, thank you so much.